morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders, and welcome to the 1072nd edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar Carboni, and that would be me. First off, traders, that call on Sunday night for Monday to go short was absolutely dead wrong. Horrible call. We got stopped out, traders. Don't ask me what happened there, but we just had a bad day. But one thing I can tell you about a bad day for the Omni is this. Omni always comes punching right back day two. Traders, if you look back for the last 11 weeks that we've been on a running streak here with the Omni, I don't think you can find 2 days strung together where the Omni has lost. It's been having a great run. So I'm here to tell you, be brave, stay in focus, stay with the Omni, and rock and roll. Let's get ready for Tuesday. Traders, we know that futures trading can be extremely risky, especially if you took Monday night's trade for Tuesday. We know that futures trading is not suitable for all trading accounts. Let's get serious. All right, traders, so here's what happened. We are on video 1072. It's being filmed on Monday afternoon for trading on Tuesday. That's September 10, 2013. Traders, I showed you this chart in last night's video, and I said, look, traders, I have to show you something. Let's delete Tuesday's action. I said, here is what I have found. You've got 3 instances where the NASDAQ hits a double top, makes it a triple top, and then drops, right? Well, runs up, makes a double top, makes a triple top, and then drops. Over here, runs up, top 2, makes a triple top, then drops. I said, look, these look like repetitive patterns. 1, 2, and here we are for trading on Sunday for Monday. I said that is a repetitive pattern. The likelihood is that we should come off like we did here and like we did back here. But in fact, here is what happened. I'm going to now include Monday's trading in. Monday's trading bulls right up. Let me blow it up for you. Look at this. Monday's trading bulls right through the triple top. Bravo. I know we got stopped out. That was horrible. But bravo, because at least now we have direction. We don't have to worry about the pullback. At least we hope we don't have to worry about that. Stops will be in. So here's the chart I showed you last night. It absolutely, as I mentioned, did not work, and it got stopped, but it now offers us a much better direction because here we are. We can clearly see the breakout. So that was the NASDAQ chart I showed you last night. Let's go look at the S&P chart. Just 1 second. I think I have a much prettier chart drawn up for you here on the X. Let me just see if I can find it. Oh, interesting. Let me just draw it up for you because I'll do it right before your eyes. Here's the E-mini S&P, and here is what we were looking at. We had a problem yesterday because we had this parallel channel and we had this bear flag, and they were meeting in the same spot. And if you recall, and let me just draw it out for you so that you can see what I'm looking at. If you recall, I said, OmniX, now we're going to have to pay attention to this. This day doesn't exist. This was Monday. So this is your E-mini S&P, right? The ESU13, and it's the daily bar. So this is what I'm looking at, and let me blow it up a little more. I'm saying, wow, you've got a bear flag right here, and you've got resistance from this parallel channel in the very same spot. And if you remember, I said, traders, let's follow the little bouncing ball, the yellow bouncing ball in yesterday's video, right? So I had these sitting here, and I said, look, it appears that after you hit the bottom of this parallel channel, you head back towards the top. And if you look at this top right here, it's at the top of a bear flag, represented by this flagpole and this flag. So here is the bear flag. And then you put this channel there, and you've got the meeting of the bear flag and the resistance. You've got to call that as an analyst, traders. You've got no choice. But since then, look at the beauty. Hooray, hooray, we've gotten above this. Let me show you what we look like as of today. At least we've got a breakout above it. And it looks like Tuesday night we're already up here, so maybe we'll continue further. I like the fact that we did get above. Back to that NASDAQ chart. NASDAQ now clearly looks like it wants to continue higher. So I say we work with it. Omni has flipped to a green Omni. I like the green Omni. I say stay focused and go with it, traders. I will try to do another video later this evening to show you a few more bits of analysis I've come up with. But I do like the fact that we have broken out in the NASDAQ and the S&P. And luckily, we now have a green Omni. Even though that's red, I will change it for you. We have a green Omni going forward for trading on Tuesday. And, you know, I must admit, I'm always nervous calling sell omnis or a red omni on a bull market. We are in a bull market like you see in NASDAQ. It always makes me nervous to have to call these red omnis. I am much happier that we have this green omni. I'm going to make it big, baby, and highlight it, because I like these green omnis. That's what I live for, the upside of this market. I will take whatever they throw at us, but I like the green omnis. Traders, that's what I have to show you for now. I've got a lot more evidence pointing towards the upside in many other markets. Again, I will try to do another video for you this evening, but if not, you've got this information. Green Omni for Tuesday, NASDAQ breaking out, Russell looks fantastic, transportation average looks good as of Monday's close. The industrial average, NASDAQ, S&P, the gamut looks pretty good. Traders, thank you so much for coming to these videos. Thank you for watching these videos. And I really hope that these videos help to keep you in tune with markets and what should happen the next day. Always remember, like you certainly needed to remember today on Monday, stops are emotions are out. Traders, once again, thank you so much. I will see you at livewithoscar.com.